So guys, today in this video I'm going to give you a review on a Sanyo Inverter AC, which is owned by Panasonic brand. And recently my friend purchased this AC and he is really impressed with this AC but has some issue with AC as well. So I'm going to give you a pros and cons on this AC, and you will get all idea you should buy this AC or not. So first of all, we'll start with the pros. So guys, before that, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam and like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, let's start with the pros. So this AC has a very nice look and it has advanced technology, because it is a Panasonic brand which is famous for this kind of a technology, and it is silent machine. You will barely hear a sound if you turn off your ceiling fan. The price is almost unbelievable for the specification. It's cheaper than the most 3-star 1.5 ton and 5-star 1 ton ACs. However, that doesn't mean it's cheap quality product. And Sanyo has made it online only product, which is a strategy to cut its cost. I will recommend you to buy this AC online because it will save you money. And you could call it the OnePlus of air conditioner, and no bullshit, only essential features at pocket friendly prices. And I would say this AC is best value for money. Now let's talk about the cons in this product. So first of all, the worst thing in this AC is its remote, because the remote is really average. Like a toy, I would say, and the remote is not very responsive. Sometimes buttons have to be suppressed harder. Maybe all Panasonic Sanyo ACs work this way, I'm not sure about this. And if you talk about the outdoor backside fan, so guys, it is open and are not protected with the grills like many other brands. And if you purchase your own bracket for fitting outdoor, they will charge you 350 rupees for the labor. Installation person are local and not engineer, and it will be your luck how expert technician you get, and they won't give you a bill or receipt for the labor charge if we pay to them. And in manual, minimum 3 meter of the copper wire are to be installed, so please take care if your copper wire are not being cutted by the technician when distance is less. So guys, I would say the most irritating cons in this product is its remote. So the remote stop being responsive after using 1 week, and which is very annoying, and it simply doesn't work effectively sometimes, and you have to check whether you actually turn it on. And standard installation doesn't cover the outdoor stand or material cost, which include wires, tubes, extra copper pipes. So, and you should be aware of this. So guys, I hope you like the video. For more video like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam and like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.